Hey guys, if you have wax paper at your house, you're gonna wanna lay that down first. If not, you're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour on your table. Just be mindful to clean this up when you're done so you don't have a big old mess in your kitchen. So I'm gonna put my clay down, I guess salt dough. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit on top. This is just gonna keep it from sticking. And I'm gonna press down. So if I were making a pie and I was making fresh dough, I would do the same thing. So if you have a rolling pin, you can use that. If not, a marker works great. But I wanna roll this out to about the thickness of about 1/4 of an inch. I wanna be mindful not to roll it too thin, because if it's too thin, it will become brittle and it will break. So be kind of careful with that. I'm gonna flip it, and I'm just flipping it back and forth because it just kind of gives me a even consistency. If it's on rough on the edges and it starts to crack like out here, that's not a big deal because we're gonna cut our pattern out. Now what's important is once we get this to about 1/4 of an inch, what we're gonna wanna do, we're gonna want to go ahead and immediately put our llama pattern down and trace it, because the salt dough is gonna dry pretty quick and it's gonna become more brittle. So I have my shape. So now I'm ready for my llama, so you can move on to the next slide and I'll show you how to do that.